Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Arduino IDE to configure our Arduino relay and servo decoders. Very short and simple. In short, you need to follow the guide on our website to download and install the Arduino IDE. Alternatively, you can use the web app that Arduino offer, and from that we'll go through how to configure the DCC address for both decoders. So here we have the Servo decoder, 16 Servo Arduino based DCC decoder. As per the relay decoder tutorial we went through, this will show us how to configure the DCC address on this. As noted, you've got your 5V feed, DCC feed, and also our USB lead that's plugged into our laptop. Two servos plugged in, for example. So once we've followed the instructions on the website and downloaded the Arduino IDE, alternatively using the Arduino web app, you then opened up the sketch for the servo decoder, which is found on our website as well, and you've got it open as here. Make sure you follow the instructions to download the relevant code just here. As with the relay decoder sketch, there's a lot of code here, a lot of it irrelevant to us. We're going to focus just on a couple of things. So this code here. In fact, this is the only line we need just here. So first servo, number 1, that is the starting address for our servos. Now with this, we can't configure the individual addresses for each servo. It's a starting address, so 1 and then all the way up to 15, corresponding for 16 servos. So at the moment, it's configured for 1. Let's switch to our iTrain here. Notice that this point here is set up for address number 5. The reason for this is that we use a Rocco or mouse-based DCC controller here, so you have to have a +4. However, for most DCC controllers, your NC power cups, for example, then you would set it to exactly the same address as that's a number 1. So we're going to click away on number 1. You'll see the servo move just there, back and forth, back and forth. We now go through how to change the address. So, firstly, get rid of that 1 that's just on there. We're going to change that to number 6 as an example. So that's changed, and then we're going to check that we're looked up right. So make sure our board is set to the Arduino Nano, set to the old bootloader, and that we're on the right COM port for the USB lead plugged into your desktop or laptop. Once we've done that, we're then going to press upload. And you'll notice at the bottom there that it's compiling the sketch, so it checks it for any errors, and then uploads the corresponding Arduino. In a moment, that will say complete. There we go. Okay, then we need to go to our DCC controller, and in this case ours is iTrain. We're then going to change that to number 10. Remember that we have to add from 4, and then we're going to set that 10 out again, and we should see that servo move. So nice and easy to change the DCC address. Once done, we'll just unplug the USB cable and mount back to wherever we need it on our layout. Any questions, any suggestions, please message us on social media or use the contact form on our website.